You know that feeling when you really, really wish you were at the beach or in the tropics right now, but you're not and you can't go because maybe you got to work or you can't find somebody to watch your dog or something? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can bring a touch of the tropics to you and turn your rec room, porch, sunroom, or other favorite space into your own little private slice of tropical paradise with these beautiful LED palm trees from Wintergreen Lighting. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to us on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button as well. That'll make sure you get all of our content when it comes out, including new product announcements. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you should know is that these LED palm trees come in 3 sizes, so you can get just the right tree for your space. Assembly is easy. First, secure the trunk to the base plate. Then, add the remaining trunk and connect the interior wires. Shape the palm fronds to give your tree a full and natural look. Then connect the trunk lights and wrap them down the tree. Then connect the power adapter, plug it in, and enjoy. If you're placing the palm trees outside for a party or special event, you can use the provided stakes to secure the tree to the ground. Now, these trees are rated for what's called covered outdoor use, which means it's fine if you want to use them outside. You just don't want them to sit out in the rain. And these fronds are UV protected, so they'll keep looking fresh and colorful no matter where you place them. The Wintergreen LED palm tree also comes with a remote control that lets you dim the lights as well as set a timer to turn them off. You can also perform the same functions using the button on the adapter plug. With these trees, you can transform your favorite space into a palm tree paradise. Bring the Caribbean vibe to your next party, or celebrate the holidays with a tropical twist. And you can find them at the Christmas Lights Etc. website. Just click on the link in the description, it'll take you right to them. And while you do that, I'm going to kick back, relax, and enjoy my own LED palm trees, and I'll see you next time.